about solar system for graders 3, 2, and 1. Like I'm in grade 4 and I just wanted for 3, 2, and 1 graders to know all about the solar system. Please subscribe. The solar system consists of Sun and all other objects that travel around the Sun. It includes planets, asteroids, natural satellites, meteoroids, comets, dwarf planets, dust, and gases. Made up of the Sun and all the other small objects that move around it, Sun is the largest member of the solar system. There are 8 major planets. The Sun. It lies in the center of the solar system. Sun is a star. It is a huge ball of burning gases. It consists of hydrogen and helium, you might know. And the Sun looks bigger because it's closer to the Earth than any other star. Sun is very important for our existence on it. It provides energy to the plants to prepare food for us. Universe. The universe is a vast space that contains everything that exists. It contains the stars, the planets, the saddle sands, clouds of dust and gases. The sky looks like a black blanket studded with diamonds and one big shining crystal ball. Twinkling diamonds are called stars, and crystal ball is the moon. Heavenly bodies. All the natural objects that we see in the sky are called heavenly bodies. Our universe consists of dust, gas, stars, clouds, galaxies, and life. Galaxy. A galaxy is a collection of stars, planets, and other moving objects, along with gas and dust. One such galaxy is called the Milky Way. Why is it called the Milky Way? When we see it through our telescope, our galaxy looks like a white band stretching across the night sky. Stars. Each star in the galaxy is a huge ball of burning gases. As the gas burn, they give out a lot of heat and light. That's the reason the stars glow. Sun. It is the biggest star in our solar system, as we saw in that. Constellations. A group of stars are called constellations. The groups of stars that form patterns in the sky. They are named after animals and characters from old stories. Some famous constellations are the Great Bear, the Little Dipper, and the Orion. Berry. The Great Bear is.
Mama, why does the bear have a long tail?
Just forget it, Bear, alright? Okay. Now, this is how the Great Bear constellation looks like. This is how the Big Dipper constellation. The Great Bear is also known as Big Dipper too. The Orion is also a constellation that we know. And now, look at we have our solar systems and planets. Let us look at them. Our solar system consists of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The solar system is name given to the Sun, 8 planets and their satellites. Sun is a star, huge ball of burning gases, as we saw. Sun is the closest star to Earth, hence it appears bright and big. No life without the sun. Plants use sunlight to prepare food. Plants. Okay, now. Heavenly bodies revolve around the sun. Plants around the sun in a fixed path is called the orbit.
Mama, Earth is an example of a planet, right?
Yes, Barry. Revolution of planets around the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, let's just get to the point. Okay, so I've said that many times, like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Do I need to say it again? I don't think that's necessary. Let's just go on. Planets. A planet is a heavenly body that revolves around a star. Each planet moves around the sun in a fixed path called the orbit. The movement of the planets around the sun is called revolution, as you see in this picture. 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So this is how all our planets look like. Mercury, small in size and closest to the sun. Very hot during the day and freezing cold at night. Venus, hottest and the brightest planet. Can see early in the sky, early in the morning, and just before the sun sets. Venus is known as the morning star and evening star. Earth, third planet from the sun. Life exists on Earth because it has air and water to make life possible on Earth. It is known as the blue planet for a lot of water on it. Mars, dry and rocky planet. There are many mountains and dust storms on its surface. Mars is described as the red planet because dust storms gives us red appearance. Jupiter, as the largest planet in the solar system, it has a red gigantic spot. Rotates faster than any other planet. Saturn, it is a gigantic planet being seen by the naked eye. It has 7 rings around it, and these rings are made up of big chunks of ice and rocks. Uranus, as the 7th planet of the solar system, it has the 3rd largest diameter of our solar system. It has 10 thin rings around it.
Mama,
Yes, Barry?
does Uranus have a ring?
Of course, Barry. Now, let me continue, Barry. And if you continue talking, then maybe you must teach these people.
Alright. It has the 3rd largest diameter.
Okay, Barry. Just shut up. It has 10 thin rings around it, but these are less visible. Uranus is rich green in color. Neptune! It is the furthest planet from the sun. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system. Okay, the solar system. Mnemonic. M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, and N for Neptune. So we'll read it as, my very elegant mother just served us noodles. Yeah, that's the mnemonic. Now let's learn about satellites. Satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around a planet. They do not have their own light. They shine due to the reflection from the sun. Moon, our beautiful moon. The natural satellites of the planets in the solar system are known as moons.
Mama, the moon looks so bright, like a beautiful ball of silver in the sky.
Yes, Barry, but it's not silver. The Earth has 1 moon. Examples: Uranus has 27 moons. Neptune has 14 moons. Venus and Mercury have no moons at all. Earth's moon. The moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Full moon day. Oh, this is full moon day. Moon also reflects the light of the sun, using binoculars to see the black spots on the moon. The black spots on the moon are called craters, hollow or bowl-shaped peaks.
Mama, the aliens of the craters.
No, Barry, that's just like some astronauts walk on it, right?
Mama, but I have seen in the cartoons aliens live.
Okay, baby, that's just a cartoon. Aliens are not real. The surface of the moon is covered with mountains and valleys.
What's a valley?
A valley. No atmosphere, weather, or wind on the moon. The first man to step on the moon was Neil Armstrong. In 1969, Earth's ship was called Apollo.
Mama, Apollo is the name of a hospital.
Yes, Barry. Now can you please shut up? Shape of the Earth. The Earth is a round ball. However, it's not perfectly round. It is slightly flattened at the top and bottom. The Earth is said to be spherical, but in not a perfect state. With the help of the astronauts and artificial satellites, it was visible that the Earth was indeed spherical. Satellite's view of the Earth. Thank you. Please subscribe for more. Jai Hind.